Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you a beautiful ear cuff design. So keep watching till the end. So we need brass wire and pearl flower. So already I have made it. But if you don't know how to make a pearl flower, then go and watch on my YouTube channel because I have already uploaded on my channel how to make a pearl flower. So now it's a time to fold a wire. So see how I'm folding. So I folded to both sides. So this is our ear cuff shape is ready. Now make a second ear cuff shape. Do you like making a jewelry? So our two ear cuff shape is ready. Now take a binding wire to bind this flower on a ear cuff shape. So take a ear cuff shape and put the one pearl flower on ear cuff shape and start binding with the help of binding wire. So keep some patience until it finish. Do you like my videos? Please drop a one heart into the comment box. See our first pearl flower fixed. Now take a second pearl flower and put it on a ear cuff shape and follow the same process and keep watching till the end. Look at here, our first ear cuff is ready. See how it is looking. Really it look like a jasmine flower. Let's make another ear cuff with the same process. Take a brass wire ear cuff shape and take a one pearl flower and put it on it and start binding with a binding wire. And follow the same process for the other remaining flowers. Then our beautiful ear cuff will be ready. Now our second ear cuff is ready. Do you like this ear cuff? Then drop a beautiful comment and keep watching my other video also and share with other your friends. This is a Maharashtrian trending ear cuff because every Maharashtrian women's and girls wear this ear cuff on a traditional dresses and saris. So this is our Maharashtrian beauty. So if you like this video and this ear cuff design pattern, then start sharing with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video. Bye bye.